What if I told you that in a couple of seconds you can make a video like this that's gonna get more than 100k views on TikTok? I was able to use Streamladder to make a video that went instantly viral on TikTok within a few weeks of me launching my page. Today I'm gonna be showcasing how easy and fast it is to make tons of videos ready to go, ready to schedule for your channel. I'm gonna show you right away how fast this is. I've already linked my account, so this is easy for me. I just press create new and I sell vertical clip here because that's what I usually use for my AFC content. Now it takes you here. You can also select from tweets, but for me I usually upload for my computer. I'm gonna take the first clip I found to show you how easy it is to actually do this. Now this quickly uploads and you can start editing right away as it's being uploaded. As you can see, within a few seconds we're already here. You choose a template you like. I have a few of them saved up, which is an amazing feature of Streamladder, but you can use the default layouts. For this tutorial, we're gonna use one of my favorite, which is small face cam. As you can see, because I use it, it's already shown here. Now, you can freely adjust the gameplay area here. You can freely adjust to what you want to showcase. For me, I need to show the pack, so I'm using almost the whole area next to my webcam. And you can also move your webcam thing. If you can see, you can do it as small or as big as you like. For me, I'm using exactly the overlay and the webcam. And you can also see the preview right here. You can already see it, how it's gonna look before editing. As you can see, within a few seconds we are already here. So you go to elements, you can upload a sticker customly, or you can choose a social sticker. What I usually use, you can use specific ones, but I usually do multiple. So I quickly press this one, and let me lower this down so you guys can see. Let's make this bigger. Nope, not that bigger. Let's make this bigger, guys. So it has immediately, within a few seconds, I have my webcam set up, my gameplay set up, which I usually move right under my webcam, and I already have my social tab on. So you can do this as big or as small as you like. I usually do it a bit smaller. This is the preview that it shows, which is amazing. So I have already, within a few steps and a couple of seconds, we have the video almost ready to go. But what I usually use is the most amazing feature for me, at least for my time, is the captions. I usually use this one, but there are a ton of fonts you can use here. As you can see, I use this one lately. It's gonna be able to generate the captions right away. Usually it takes close to 20 seconds, which is amazing. Now right away we have the video ready, gameplay is ready, sources are ready, captions are already made, guys. So maybe less than 1 minute, I have a video ready to go. You can of course edit this to how you like. I usually keep the same size as usual for my captions, and I try to put it somewhere that's not gonna block the gameplay, but it's gonna be showcased. Right here for me is perfect. Of course you can edit this, you can do whatever you like. And you're ready to go, guys. You just press export, you choose exactly how much quality you want it to be, and you press export. I used exactly this way and this fast to make my first video that broke up above 100k on TikTok. That's exactly the time I had when I was making this video. So within 1 minute, I was able to make a video that got me thousands and thousands of views and got me my first followers, my first subscribers and everything. As you can see, the video is already ready to go. You can preview it here and do stuff like that. But what I usually do is I download, and then you have the option, which is amazing, to completely send to mobile. So you can press here, there's a pop-up QR that comes out. You scan it and you set it on your phone right away, able to launch. You can, like, within, if you run within 2 minutes, you have a viral potentially video ready to go, guys. So go check out Streamladder. It's amazing. I've been using it non-stop the last 1.5 years. It made my life super easy.